and welcome to the cross-platform application development with OpenCV 4 and Qt 5. My name is Antonio Ortiz Lira, and I will be teaching you how to create great application with these two libraries. Before we continue, let me introduce myself. I am a Venezuelan system engineer and a software developer. I started working with computer vision in 2008, and since then I have worked in several fields, including robotics, Android app development, and operating system development. So let's talk about the course. In this course, we're going to cover a variety of topics. In section 1, we're going to learn how to install and configure Qt 5 and OpenCV in our system. In section 2, we're going to use OpenCV to load images and QML and to show them into our screen. In section 3, we're going to process some images, applying some filters and morphological operations. In section 4, we're going to use multi-threaded programming to show videos. Also, we're going to apply some operations like background subtraction and object tracking. In section 5, we're going to use an stereo camera array so we can extract that information from an XIM. That way, we will be able to tell when an object is close or far away from our camera. In section 6, we're going to work with Android, and we're going to migrate our application to Android, and we're going to use some Android Java code from our C++ code. In section 7, we're going to learn how to debug and how to unit test our application. We don't need too much to start this course. The only prerequisite is to know how to program in C++. If you know object-oriented programming, you are good to go. Perfect. So let's get started.